Struggling with missing Wi-Fi on your Windows 11? Let's fix it by checking Settings, Drivers, and Services. Start by searching for Device Manager and open it. Expand Display Adapters. Then right-click on your display driver and select Update Driver. Choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the driver you want to install and click Next. Once the installation is complete, click Close. Right-click again on the display driver and select Uninstall Device. Confirm by clicking Uninstall. Go to the Action menu and select Scan for hardware changes. This will reinstall the driver. Click on the Windows Start button, then Power, and choose Restart. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Search for Troubleshoot Settings and open it. Click on Additional Troubleshooters. Select Internet Connections and then run the troubleshooter. Follow prompts and then close the troubleshooter. Still in Additional Troubleshooters, select Network Adapter and click Run the Troubleshooter. Follow the prompts to diagnose and fix any network issues. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Search for Services and open it. Find DHCP Client, right-click and select Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply. Then OK. And restart the service. Find Bachhal Auto Config. Right-click and choose Properties. Change the startup type to Automatic. Click Start. Then Apply. And OK. Lastly, locate Wi-Fi Direct Services connection. Right-click, go to Properties. Set startup type to manual. Click Apply and OK. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.